Go. Stop. Now, go. Back kick. Back, round kick. Go, round kick. Back kick. Round kick again. Spinning hook. Balik sa kanan. Yun. Pag spinning ka, balik ang forma. Ito. Go. 1. 2. Bakit ka? Now. Back kick. Go. Round again. Spin. And then kick. Good. Kumakulit ng spin. Pagkagad. Wala. Ganito. Go. Forward. Go. Bakit ka? Go. Back kick. Round kick. Spin. Kick. And then pass. Yun, ako dito. Nakalayo sa camera. Lumayo.
Sa spinning ba? Ano na ako eh. Tumba na ako dyan.
Yan. Okay, tapos na. Hindi ko. Bakit agad? Go. Again.
Sorry.
Go, now. Okay, kunin ko. Bakit? Go, roundhouse kick. Axe kick. Roundhouse kick. Spinning hook kick. Balik dito. Yun! Hindi na ako ng timer lang. Okay, dalawang round pa. Go! Now, 1, 2, 3. Back kick. Up. Boom. Axe. Roundhouse kick. Spinning hook kick. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Daya ako kanina pa ako nakatayo eh. Daya ako.
Pag nag-spin ka, nakaprepare. Okay, okay. Okay, break. Go. Okay. Go. 1. Kunin na po. Back kick. Go. Axe. Roundhouse kick again. Spin. Now. Isa Tandaan mo rin yung mag-spin ka ha, para ikaw para di ka matubang. Okay, ito yan tinatawag na cross quarter combat tayo. Okay, 1, 2, 3, turning elbow. Back kick, sir heel. Roundhouse kick. Axe kick ka ngayon. Roundhouse kick again. Then spin. And then, yun. Kompleto. Ito naharap pa naman sa
Bilis na.
oh, dadaan na. Bilis na. Pag nasa forma na, bilis na. Go. Bakit? Go. Go. Sleep. Sleep. Spin. Siba! Oh! Ha!
Ha!
Yun o. Bak na.
Sakit dito. Dito ka masakit.
Hindi mo, pala sa sakit din sa mo.
Twist.
Kaya bukidikit ka, sakit talaga yan. Again. Para makumbak na dun. Ihis. No! Ganun din. Yun. Kita ko yung paa mo. May ikot. Isa pa. Ulit. Okay pa. Last one na tayo. Last one. Last another. Okay, last for us. Relating. Another. Stop.
Ha!
Nice one. Good job. Wow. Okay. Last round for another. Okay, sir. Okay. 1, 2, 3. In. Turning the ball. Going your head to the right. Backing your right kick. Step. Roundhouse kick. Axe kick. Roundhouse kick again. And then step. And then roundhouse kick again. Back. Yeah, the last kick on the right leg. Combo kick. Okay, proper that. Okay, so don't make it fast first. Avoid the step. Go 1, 2, 3. Get in your left foot. Rolling the ball. Okay, move. Yeah. Rolling the ball. Back kick. Boom. Run off kick. Up kick. Run off kick. Bring your leg over here and spin. And then. Yes, sir. Combo kicks. This is now. Yeah, so let's practice this again. Just once. Rolling the ball. Bang, back kick. Proceed roundhouse kick, axe kick, roundhouse kick again, spin hop. And then, yes, if you miss the spin hop, follow the roundhouse kick. Go. Good. 1, 2, 3. Back kick. Oh. Oh. Axe. Roundhouse. Spin. Oh. Good. Good, good, good. Good. Yeah, go. This spin is too high. Nice one. Running your ball. Back kick. Good. Up. Roundhouse kick. Spinning hop. Too high. Nice one. One more. Very good. Forman simpan pa, no?
Oh.
Go. Practice before we go. 1, 2, 1. Running your ball. Back kick. Boom. Up, follow up, roundhouse kick, spin high, and then,
Nice.
like it under, very good. Practice that. Okay, cool down na tayo.
Finish?
Finish. Cool down. Let's say if you're not coming early morning, then you have time to for kickboxing.
Yeah. Something like that.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Post 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then palm stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,